In this video, hi everyone, we talk about table modeling for ArchiWood modeling. ArchiWood provides flexible modeling methods to meet the modeling needs of different users. Through this picture, we can see the modeling methods of Renest are various. But in this beginner's tutorial, it doesn't explain every modeling method on the diagram. We will discuss several common modeling methods and the most practical modeling method. In this video, we will discuss spreadsheet modeling. Now, we can see that a table has been opened, which is an Excel spreadsheet. Then we save this table. We can save it to the desktop. Then select the CSV format and select this format. Then we click Save. And then we can close the current table. We can see here, there will be the current CSV table file. Okay, let's go back to SketchUp. Project Management of Quick Toolbar for Single-Shot ArchiWood. And the Project Management panel will pop up. We can click the new project in the upper right corner. Enter the order number here. And then enter the name of the order. Then we enter the customer's name here. Then click Save below. In this way, we can create our new project. Close. Then we can open the client-side panel. Then open the cabinet module. Open the cabinet tool. The table modeling CSV icon below. After clicking, an import panel will pop up. We import the CSV file we just saved. Click Open in the lower right corner. In this way, we can see that it automatically generates a model. We can complete the table modeling with one click. The model created can meet our needs, such as reports, such as production, and so on. After creating it, we can save the model. To save it. After saving, now, we can close SketchUp or create a new blank SketchUp. If we want to open the current model that we have created, we can use the project management icon and find the project we just created. Select it and then click the production button. And below, we can see the option to open the model. Click Open. In this way, we can open the current model again. We can see that the current model, it appears again. In this way, we can easily, through ArchiWood, quickly open the model order we created. That's all for this video. Thank you all.